Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a long time. I've been busy, I'm so sorry. For today's video, I'll be removing my wallpaper. From time to time you have to renovate your bedroom. I'll be using two equipments, plastic bag, so when I actually start peeling off the wallpaper, I'll be immediately placing the pieces into the plastic bag, and I'll be using this spatula. This is for construction purposes only, to peel off, to separate the wallpaper from the wall.
2,000 years later.
Guys, I'm gonna explain briefly about the result, the remaining, and I'm gonna see if I can remove it all. If I cannot remove all the remaining of the wallpaper, I will leave it to the painter, who's responsible of renovating the wall.
Here is the wall. The wall is originally white. Yeah, the remaining of the wallpaper is dirty beige, okay? With yellow stains.
So this is the back. This is the so because of the humidity, viewer, I forgot the word. Viewer discretion is advised. Guys, I brought this one just to sterilize what I touched, including you. Which one is more annoying? This sound or this sound?